As we have very clearly understood the 7 stages according to Panchadashi: Ajnana, ignorance; Avaran, wheeling; then Vikshepa, the birth of Jiva, projection; Paroksha Jnanam, listening to Satsanga; Aparoksha Jnanam, got the experience of what is understood; Dukkha Nivritti, removal of the miseries; and Nirankusha Trupti, fulfillment in life. These are the 7 stages according to Panchadashi. Now here also we are having similar one. See, so in the 46th verse it is said, Prathamayam ankuritam dvitiyayam vikasitam phalibhutam tritiyayam aryatvam yogino bhavet. Yoginaha aryatvam bhavet. When do we become an ideal seeker of truth? These 3 stages. These are the first 3 steps. What we know in Panchadashi, Avaran, Ajnana, Avaran, Vikshep. Here it is said, first is Prathama Bhumika Ankuritam. A seeker is born. When he has got the higher quality dispassion, then Bhumika Van, then he has stepped on the path of spirituality. Till such time we are attached to the worldly things and beings, we are samsari. Dispassion doesn't mean we have to give up anything and go, but it is the state of our mind. How much we get involved and interested in the worldly things. See? Very little, very minimum. Then only we are walking the spiritual path. If the worldly things and events are of prime importance to us, we are not yet fit to walk the spiritual path. So Bhumika Van. Then this is the first step, what is called as the Shubhecha. What is the Shubhecha? Now enough of this world. I have been living it for years together, lives together. What great I got out of it. I think this is enough. I must seek something higher in life. Shubhecha, first step. Then for that he will start going to satsanga, listening to the Mahatmas, reflect on it, lead a different quality type of life. That is the vicharana. Now he will start listening and contemplating and reflecting on what is heard. Then the third step comes. See? The first is Shubhecha, second is Vicharana, and third step is Asamsakti, non-attachment or minimum attachment. Now these 3 steps are Prathamankuritam. First, the spiritual practice is sprouting. Dvitiyayam Vikasitam. So when we start listening to satsanga on a regular basis, as we are doing now, Vikasitam, our involvement in the spiritual life becomes extremely sincere. We grow on the spiritual path. Phali Bhutam Tritiyaya. And when we come to the Asamsakti, non-attachment, then Yoginaha Aryatvam Bhavet. Then he is a person worthy to be called as the seeker of truth. See how important it is. It is not which temple you go. It is not what kind of ornaments you put on, what kind of mala you put on. No, that is not important. See? Phali Bhutam Tritiyayam Aryatvam Yogino Bhavet. So Arya means the one who is a spiritually oriented, cultured person. Not the Arya Samaji. That is just a name. So now what this Arya person is like? Kartavyam acharan kamam, akartavyam anacharam, tishtati prakrutacharo, yassa Arya iti smritaha. Now he is not irresponsible. Whatever are his duties towards his people, they are done. And akartavyam anacharam, and what should not be done is never done. And tishtati prakrutacharo, yasa Arya iti uchate. And he who thus leads a very cultured life of a spiritual oriented sadhaka, he is called as the Arya. Again, yatha charam, yatha shastram, yatha chittam, yatha sthitam. So whatever his conduct is there, it is according to the scriptures. It is not by his own means.